Good evening. Welcome to onlineias.com. On June 1st, we have launched a batch for IAS 2021. And this time we have separated prelims from the mains. That is the reason why we started preparation for the preliminary examination. And the prelims will be continued up to October 31st. And the whole syllabus will be done very effectively and efficiently by October 31st, 2020. From November 1st onwards, we are going to take up the mains papers. And when it comes to the preliminary examination, we have completed Indian economy. Currently, CSAT is going on, and environment, ecology, disaster management. These classes are going on. Next, we are going to start Indian history from August 5th. From August 5th, 2020, we are going to launch Indian history for the preliminary examination for IAS 2021. But please remember, though we are dealing with the preliminary batch, our approach is in such a way that we are going, both objective and also analytical manner. So that whatever we are teaching now, that will also be helpful to you for mains examination. Hence, when we go to the mains preparation from November 1st onwards, that will be like a cakewalk for you. During that time, you will be learning completely the answer writing. That is the reason why don't miss this opportunity. Please join our classes, and every subject is being dealt very efficiently and very effectively. And we have a time bound preparation. And in the same manner we are going, and come what may, we are going to finish up the whole syllabus for the prelims by October 31st. Similarly, for the main examination, which is being started from November 1st onwards. Hence, as far as the IAS preparation is concerned, that has to be time bound, very systematic, very scientific, and you will be given extraordinary classes by extraordinary faculty members. You will be given the updated materials. You will be given the question bank. You will be made to write answers for the main examination. And after that, you will be given the training even for the interview very successfully. So this is the whole strategy as far as our, this IAS 2021 batch is concerned. Hence, I suggest you all who have not joined so far, please take this opportunity. Fees is very, very reasonable, and I'll show you the complete picture now. Kindly look at this. You please open our site. This is our site, www.onlineias.com. In the menu bar, if you go towards the right of the screen, here you can see IAS 2021. For your kind information, we have a special batch for current affairs. Only current affairs, exclusive batch for the preliminary examination, that is being done on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Right? And this is the separate batch for preliminary examination, separate batch for the main examination, and this is for the both prelims and mains. I suggest you to join for prelims and mains exam coaching. Here, current affairs will also be covered automatically. Look at this. Those who want to join here, please click on prelims and mains and come to this page. And this is the seminar which is already uploaded. Please watch complete seminar, then take a decision. Look at the fees here. So the fees is actually 1,04,000 rupees, but it has been reduced drastically, and it is being given at 80,000 rupees only. It includes preliminary preparation, mains preparation, and also the interview guidance. Anybody who wants to join, you can pay through scan and pay, or you can go to this enroll online. So once you enroll, meaning you can join through by paying the amount through credit card, debit card, or net bank, or simply you can use this scan and pay. This will be much easier for you. And after that, you will be provided access to the classes. And please make use of this particular opportunity. And if anybody wants to pay in 2 installments, you may also pay. You may also pay in 2 installments and you can join as early as possible. And kindly remember, as far as IAS is concerned, this is a highly prestigious, these are all highly prestigious positions. These are called civil services, right? IAS, IPS, IRS, right? Indian Foreign Service. Like this, you have various services under this. And this is the best opportunity that we are providing to you. And utilize this opportunity, get benefited, avail all the these provisions that we are providing here, and get succeed in the examination. And our support will be there for you all every time. Thank you so much for being with me, and I'll see you in the classes. Thank you so much.